So now we can try to assemble this together. Okay, we can try to assemble this together. We have this one is meant to enter this, so we can rotate this one using the 3D rotate. So 3D ROTA rotate. So now this is what you want to rotate. You left click on it and then you right click. You can see those different colors. We have colors of blue, red, and green. So depending on, so you can click any of them depending on the direction you want to rotate it, and then you rotate. So let's rotate it this way. So you can see it has rotated now. Fine. So now we can move it into this. We also need to rotate this one. So that will be spacebar to repeat the previous command, which is 3D rotate. So left click on this and then right click. So you can see the colors again, red, green, blue. So depending on the direction you want to rotate it, whether red. So now I'm choosing let me choose the green color. So now let me rotate it like this, and then once it's rotated, I left click, and then I escape. Okay, it hasn't rotated yet. So spacebar, let me repeat it again. Left click. Now let me use the red one. Okay, good. I think it has rotated now. You can see it's rotating through 180 degree. Then you left click and then escape. Fine. So now you can take it back to the wireframe, and then you move enter. You highlight everything using the green highlight and then right click. Choose the center point here. Choose the center point here. Let's see if we could take um okay, let's see, left click here, and then we come to this point here, and then we'll left click here to the center. Okay, so the same thing applicable. We also move this one, enter, left click and then right click. Or first, let's see the conceptual view. Okay, fine, perfect. So now let's take it back to the 2D wireframe. So now we want to move this, enter, right click. Now take it from this point here, left click at the center here, and then you come here, locate the center here as well, and then you left click here. Okay, so now let's look at the conceptual. So now you can see this is the isometric model of the assembled part. Okay, so you can use your move command, enter, enter, and then move it upward like that. Or let me control it. It means your green parts is not together. Let me press union, UNION, enter. So let me make everything a single element and then right click. So fine, now everything is a single element. So let me move it once and for all. So now taking it from this point, left click here, and then bringing it here. Okay, now conceptual. So I can delete all these lines, I don't need them. So now I can use my move command, enter, left click the green one and then move it upward. Okay, I can also move the yellow one, that one, enter, and then move it downward. Okay, so this is not needed, so I delete it. Delete, this is also not needed. So after this, you can then print. You can print. In order to print, Control P, you take this to DW to PDF, you take this to window. So window, you select everything like this, and then you come here. Here you choose monochrome, yes. Here you choose center the plot, and then you have landscape, you have portrait. Then you do what? Apply to layout, and then let's preview it. Fine. So now let's escape, and then let's print it like that. So okay. So you can save it. Let's save it on the desktop. So this is saving it in the PDF format. You can call it Lego. So Lego.pdf, and then save. Okay. So this is it in PDF format. So you can print it out like this.